I'd like to introduce our Loving Sleep Mattress Topper. And so the purpose of a topper is to make your mattress more comfortable. Some people will have beds that are too firm, they might feel the springs. This is 2 inches of an additional layering that will give you that comfort feel. Typically in a mattress, you'll have the support and then your top layers are your comfort. We custom craft these with the same shape of your mattress that you order from us. So when you order your mattress, you may want to add a topper if you find you get it at home and it's a little too firm. Just go ahead and order a topper and that should do the trick for you. So this is it actually fits right over it. If you buy our custom sheets and our mattress pad, it would fit right over it and lock it on. Or you can, we don't have straps on these because we don't know the actual cut that a lot of people have at home. We kind of keep these stock this way. Anything else to know, Jim? You may want to come in and look at the cover and I'll show you what's on the inside. We use organic cotton stretch knit on top, and then on the inside, if you unzip it, it's now in a blue color, this is called rebound foam, and it's breathable. And see how fast it responds? It's not like that memory foam that you lay on and you get sucked into it. This is completely different. So people get really confused as to what foams there are on the market. This is, if you know what latex is, it feels like a latex, a natural rubber, but you don't spend the money on it. It's because natural latex prices are expensive. So anyhow, this is our topper, and it's called our Loving Sleep Topper. Thank you very much.